I'm currently behind the Kroger on it's Central Station over by Cardinal Stadium, and sounds weird to say this considering the location that I'm at and where it's at, but yeah, the fireworks, if you didn't know, are being fired from different locations this year. And like Iroquois Park, I think there might be one other one maybe that I don't know, but this one in particular that you were watching with me is being done at Kentucky Kingdom. So totally bizarre, man. It didn't even have thunder last year, which I'm sure almost all of you probably know, but it's so crazy how shit's like different. I feel like I had that thought like out of nowhere, bro. Like, and I smoked weed, man. Oh shit, the finale, bro. Oh, it's kicking in hard. Yeah, dude. And I'm filming this on the worst possible thing, dude. This is like 480p. Wow. Owen Wilson was here, he'd be like, wow. Shit, but then he'd immediately go back to it. Nah, everybody knows the real finale is coming up, and everybody that knows, like, oh, you might want to stick around, or some bonus shit, extended bonus features on the DVD. Yeah, maybe. Fuck, I don't know. Yeah. So anyway, like, there's there's like 7 cars behind the Kroger at Central Station. Post it up, bro. Having some fun. I just happened to be at the Kroger. Didn't know that they were actually doing this shit. Because while I was inside, I was like, oh shit, we're getting that done. 7-Eleven, fucking September. They carjacked the shit. The plane is at the international airport and turned it into a bomb. We being terrorist attacked. No, I really didn't think that. And even if I did, I wouldn't care. That was it. All right. Sorry, I wasted 3 minutes of my and your life. Ah, fuck. Now I gotta walk home.